When you're doing a read aloud, the first thing that you do, you choose a book. You choose a child-friendly book. The second thing is posture. You have to sit uprightly, but in a comfortable position. You do an introductory activity so that to engage your audience further. Okay? So you tell them the name of the author and the title of your book. We are conducting the reading programs at the library, but we intend to partner with parents so they can read aloud at home with their children where it is more comfortable. This program is important because the children need to be engaged in reading, because reading in itself is important. So we created this program so we can keep them motivated. You can hold your book up like this, or you can hold it like this, but you have to make sure that you show the photos, you show your reader what you are talking about, so they can have a feel of what the story is about.
I'm doing this training because from the time I know myself, I am very interested in children. Sometimes I have children at home on a Sunday afternoon, reading Bible stories, so it will enhance my teaching abilities.
The community of School of History will benefit because what we intend to do is to get people from the community to come in to do read alouds. When the children see that the people are interested in the read aloud, interested in reading, they will be further motivated to continue to read.
Today's title of the story is Sister, Sister. It is written by Anne Sibley O'Brien. I like to sing songs. My sister likes to listen to music.
Can you all tell me what you think our story is going to be about? Our story name is Snowy Sunday. This book was written by Phyllis Ruth and was illustrated by Helen Craig. One Sunday, on Bonnie Bubble's farm, snowflakes as big as balls of wool fell.
I believe reading is important at all times, and especially during the school closure where the children are less supervised. It is better that they keep on reading to motivate themselves, to educate themselves further, so that when they go back to school, they'll be well prepared.